Yo guys, so dito na tayo sa Mactan Airport. So, oras na ba tayo nagdaan? 7:15. Yun, 7:15. So, lalabas na tayo kasi maghanap tayo ng taxi. Let's go. Kapag ganda ng airport nila dito guys, no? First time ko. Ayan, napakalawak. Let's go! So, ito tayo, exit. So, magta-taxi tayo guys na maghanap tayo ng taxi. Kung saan dito yung palabas. Ayun o. Kung saan dito yung palabas. Ay, taxi yan pala. Taxi, bang 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 bang. Oh. Guys, no? Buti na lang meron din pala dito joyride at taxi. Dito sa Cebu. So, imbes mag-taxi ako, kasi yung flat rate nilang white, 40, yung yellow, 80. So, mag-taxi na lang. Mag-joyride na lang ako. Kasi, 88 pesos lang. So, gusto na yan. So, ito.
My name is Prince Angelo T. Wu, and my age is 10.
10. And how about you?
My name is Jaing T. Wu. My age is 6.
You. Tell me your name and age.
What is your name and age? What is your name and age? Jaishin Wu. Jaishin Wu and 5 years old.
Ah.
She's 5 and she's Jaishin Wu.
Jaishin Wu.
Yeah. That's her school name. That's my friend's one.
Do you have English name?
English name?
Yeah.
That is English name.
Are you?
Yeah, we all have to.
Wala ka na
Wala.
Wala.
Nahuya-uya sa ngalan niya.
Dali na lang ligo.
Karoon lang, busog pa.